Welcome back to my channel, Glam Kids. You're looking fantastic. I hope you're feeling fantastic. We're going to do a set for all the Taurus babes out there. I do have an extremely busy week, but that doesn't stop the nails. That does not stop the nails. Neither does the sound you may hear in the background. While I paint these nails, we're going to do this deep, 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 deep purple. You can almost not tell it's purple, but you can on the next one for sure, because I do a part that it's a little thin. You'll see in a second. There's some sawing or some nonsense going on. There it is. So if you hear that, I do apologize. I am as secluded as I can be at the moment. See right there, you can tell it's purple. It's purple. But we're gonna put something else on top of it. This is just the base for what we're going to do next. The main color for Taurus is green. Taurus is the bull. Taurus is an earth sign. It's a fixed sign and a very stubborn sign. I have a Taurus in my life. My youngest daughter, she is quite stubborn, so I will concur. I did show her these for a Taurus approval before giving them to you guys. They are Taurus approved. So there you go. This is a pretty short video for the channel, guys. I kept it very, I can't say simple. These are not that simple. There's a lot going on. They're very glittery, but this is a set that really would not take a super long time to do. What we're going to do is the constellation, and I cannot on one nail do the entire constellation, so I just did a representation. Okay, but I think it's pretty close, and the white dots are to indicate the stars. And then we're going to come back in a second and do another treatment to that. Before that, though, let's go ahead and do the second treatment to the purple nails. And that's going to be to use this Light Elegance Mermaid glitter gel right on top as a topper. I also really love embedding this glitter. It really does like to be encapsulated as well. So that is something you can do with it. But today it lays down very flat when you apply it like that. So that's a totally viable option as well. Now with the top coat still wet, I did not cure it, I'm just coming in with the makeup sponge technique, and first I dabbed it on and then I dabbed a little away with a clean side. Now I'm coming in with some glitter. Still we have not cured. And I'm coming in with some white, and I'm just mixing and dabbing together. I want sort of a galaxy situation or a nebula situation, and we're just going to keep that treatment to the thumbnail and give the thumbnail its own flavor. Now on the ring finger, we're going to come in with some reflective glitter, reflective silver. Ooh, that was a mess. Reflective silver spider gel. Did it take me 3 times to say that? It did. What is going on? Guys, I'm still learning with spider gel. I'm just going to say this is the first one I've ever had. It's by Veronni. And it's the first real reflective glitter I've had in the collection. My oldest daughter bought it for me. Thank you, oldest daughter. Shout out to you. And then we put a little bit of that on our galaxy nail, and then I'm using it to make the lines of the constellation. Okay, and it's actually easier than it sounds. Just let it touch each dot as you go, and that becomes the next spot that you are dragging from the spider gel. And so it just lays down really easily. Look at that, it came out pretty good, right? I'm definitely going to try that again. I've got 6 colors of the spider gel, and I am trying to teach myself to use it. So this is only, I think, the second time we featured it on the channel. So I know I say we sometimes. This is top coat, by the way, but there's no we here. It's just me. But I kind of think of myself internally as a as a little system or community. I don't know how to describe it, but so that's where the we comes from. So ignore me. It's the royal we. It's the royal we. Although, no, screw it. We're royal. To hell with it. Everyone here at the Glam Squad, you are royalty. There we go. 5, 10, 15, 20 snaps up. That's taking it back to, what was that show? Guys, this is the finished set and all the things I used to make it. I hope you guys like it. I hope the Taurus babes out there like it. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'm going to see you on Wednesday for something so freaking cute. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So be sure you're subscribed. We will see you then. Mwah. Bye-bye.